Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add sync videos with music in Splice. Splice is the easy to use mobile video editor that helps you make professional looking videos right from your phone, and today we're going to learn how to sync your video clips. First, what you can do is simply launch the Splice app on your phone, and if you do not have a Splice app yet, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And over here, once you reach into this interface of the Splice, you can open to an existing project or create a new one, as I'm going to select one of the existing project here. So after that, you can tap on the audio on the bottom just beside the text, and here you can select to this music. Over here, choose the track from the Splice's library or import one from your device as well, as I'm going to browse from the Splice, and over here select one of the music that you want to put it in your video. And after that, on the bottom right, we can find this add. Tap on the add, and this is it. Over here, simply drag it along the timeline so the key action match the beat. Simply slide a bit and trim the clip by dragging the edges to make the actions fit perfectly with the music. You can split it on the bottom and preview and the fine tune. You can also play the video to check if everything syncs naturally, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.